In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use HTML in Weebly. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to add custom HTML. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. Make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, find the Embed code element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements to view the complete list. Drag the Embed code element onto your page where you want to insert your HTML. Click the element, then select Edit Custom HTML. Enter or paste your HTML code into the editor. You can use it to add custom content, embed third-party widgets, create custom layouts, or include other HTML elements that aren't available through Weebly's standard tools. Preview your website to make sure your HTML displays and functions correctly. When you're satisfied with the result, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to use HTML in Weebly. Thanks for watching.